Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is Monday, April the 23rd, 2018. 3 days ago on Friday, I did a quick update on the potato plants, and in only 3 days, I just wanted to show you how much growth these have really taken off. Look at this. Look at the size of this plant compared to Friday. This is only 3 days later. One thing I must mention is that these have not seen natural sunlight at this point. They have only been receiving light from one of my 45-watt LED grow lamps. And if you want to see unboxings and reviews of those, I do have those on my YouTube channel as well. But look at the size difference in these. I mean, these are growing like crazy. And all I've been doing is just watering them. That's it. And there's one, that's the largest one. And then we've got this one here. I'll just tilt it down so that you can see this. These are coming along amazingly well, growing really fast. And there's the little guy. And even this one here is coming along really nicely. So there we have it. Really fast one for today. I'll just get all of those in there. You can see how healthy those plants look too. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out on my recipe channel over there at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. And my large YouTube channel is also there at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And I'm very active over there. I try to get one new recipe up every week. So I am just an amateur gardener. I am not a professional, but I do love to grow stuff, and I don't know, I seem to have a green thumb. Have some really good success with stuff. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time.